As a fitting, it's a brand new Lamborghini Urus with a Starline full digital immobiliser. So if someone got this key, done a relay attack, went to steal the vehicle, after it's been sitting for 30 seconds the system will become active. They try and start the car, it's going to start and then die. As you've seen, then if they try again, it's just going to overcrank and not start. There you go. So what the customer's got to do, keep their foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, go for a unique push sequence. For now we've just got simple 1, 2, 3. We hear a disarm tone, foot on the brake, turn the car off and start it. System roars, car roars into life, you can drive away. Put it in gear, vehicle remains running. Some people aren't a fan of the PIN code, they just want to keep it nice and simple, so we can turn the Bluetooth on this phone, just connect it up. When they get in range, phone's in their pocket, just get in the car, fire it up and it disarms straight away. They can drive off. No need to waste time with a PIN code. Just have your phone in your pocket, system disarms. Turn the Bluetooth off, give it 30 seconds to set. When they come back to it, it's going to need the PIN code, obviously because the phone's not here. So we'll give it 30 seconds to show you how that works again. So now if someone got the key, went to start the vehicle up, it's going to start and switch off. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.